food. Spot. Hey. You got the food or not? Spot. Spot. I know you're itchy. Come here. Here. Buddy. No. Not as good as your grape leaves, eh? Okay, hold on. You get one early. Hey, bud. Spot. Grape leaf. Oh, come here. Now that's your favorite. Look how fast you gobble that up. Hi. No, you don't get fingers too. Hi. You're spoiled piggy. He's feeding you his grape plants one leaf at a time, eh? Guess it's a good thing they're close. Alright. Sorry, you only get one. He might give you one later. Not that he doesn't have a few. Wow. Well over my head. Talk about a close treat.